Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Westmoreland. We're actually driving into White House. And I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is going to happen to the White House fishing village when they build the new highway? Now the reason why I ask this question is because Fatespen is totally destroyed because of the new highway. Porous, totally destroyed. Grandspan in St. Thomas, totally destroyed. Now we're coming up to the White House Fishing Village. Very popular place for food, for fish, when driving to Westmoreland. This is probably the Fatespen of the South Coast. Alright, here we're coming up to it now, so we're just going to take a tour and then we continue talking. Oh, that's actually the sign, welcome to Westmoreland. So a highway is coming through here. Okay, this is the fishing village now. Very nice spot, excellent food. And you can see it's set up similar to Fatespen. Okay, so Highway 2000 is coming through to Negril. It's currently from Kingston to Williamsfield in Manchester, and then another leg is going to be built from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. They're working on that leg now, and then from Hodges in St. Elizabeth, the highway is going to go to Negril. That section probably won't start for probably another 3 years until they finish the Williamsfield to Hodges leg. So whenever you change or affect the flow of traffic on these roads, it has serious consequences for the areas that the traffic no longer passes through. Point in place, Fatespen on the way to Ochereus in St. Anne. Porous in Manchester, you now have the highway, which to make matters worse, the highway is free. So Porous has seen a significant economic fallout because people just aren't using that area. Clarendon Park has seen a fallout, but they are a little closer to the exit of the highway, which is in Tollgate, so it's not as bad as Porous, but places like Juicy Patties in Clarendon Park, a huge fallout, but they have locations all over Jamaica. Grandspan in St. Thomas, the main road used to go through Grandspan. It no longer goes through Grandspan. There is a exit on the highway for Grandspan, and still the town is totally destroyed. We have videos up, you can check it out. It's like a ghost town. The traffic, people just not coming off the highway to go there. So, guys, what do you think is going to happen to the White House Fishing Village? Now, we don't know where the exits are going to be for this highway, but even if there is an exit for White House, it's not going to be close to the fishing village. It's probably going to be further up, closer to the town, or closer to the hotel and the luxury resorts. There should be an exit somewhere along here because Bluefields is a major tourist area, very nice beach. Potential between the Sandals White House and Bluefields is a lot of tourist potential, and the exit might be a little distance from the fishing village if they have one. As we said, we're not sure. So it will be very unfortunate, but a highway cuts the travel time. The highway has its advantages also. So I would hate to see the White House Fishing Village end up like Fatespen. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, we're now driving into the town of White House. So I'm thinking the exit, if they have one, is going to be closer up this side, because it would be better for the town. And further up the road you have some very nice beaches. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. On the left, we're actually passing some villas. The beach down here by White House in Westmoreland is one of the nicest beaches in Jamaica. And because they don't have a lot of easy transport to this area, you can see the state of the road. That's why they're building the highway. There is no airport on this side of the island. Closest one here is Montego Bay. This side of the island, that goes. This side of the island doesn't have as much investment with tourism as say the North Coast, but it's a very nice beach. And when that highway is built, it's going to open up this area to a lot of investment. Hotels, villas, Airbnb rentals. Okay, this is a town now of the town of White House. So as I was saying earlier, the exit, if they have one, will probably be closer to this area than the fishing village. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.